In this video, we will show you how to open a MetaMask wallet on desktop and mobile devices. Part 1. MetaMask on browser. Before opening a MetaMask wallet, you need to download the plugin extension and enable it on your preferred browser. For this video, we are going to be using Chrome as our browser. Go to metamask.io and click on the download button. You will be taken to the Chrome web store, where you then need to click on Add to Chrome button on the upper right side. Click on Add Extension to have it added to your browser. You will then be redirected to MetaMask's welcome screen, where you need to click on Create a new wallet. Click on I agree if you decide to help MetaMask improve after reading the privacy policy. You will then be prompted to create a password for your MetaMask wallet. Remember to note down and safely store your password, because it cannot be recovered in case you lose or forget it. Fill in your preferred password, fill it in again to confirm it, and tick though I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Finally, click on Create a new wallet. It is a good idea to set up a secret recovery phrase and also save it somewhere in case you forget or lose your password. To set up a secret recovery phrase, click on Secure My Wallet. Now click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Write down or copy your secret recovery phrase and save it in a password manager or in a safe deposit box and click on Next. Finally, confirm your secret recovery phrase by filling in the blanks with the right words and clicking on Confirm. You have successfully created and secured your MetaMask wallet. Click on Got it to proceed. You can pin MetaMask on your browser to make it easily accessible. Once pinned, you can access it instantly with one click. Click on Done to proceed. Your MetaMask wallet is now ready to use. This concludes the how to create a wallet via your browser part of the video. Watch the second part if you would like to learn how to create a MetaMask wallet via the mobile app. Part 2. MetaMask on mobile device. In this part of the video, we will show you how to open a MetaMask wallet through the mobile app. As an example, we will be using an iPhone. The process is nearly identical for Android apps. First, you need to find MetaMask in the App Store and click on Get to install it on your mobile device. Once the app is installed on your device, click on Open. On the MetaMask welcome screen, click on Get Started. Now click on the Create a new wallet button. Click on I agree after you read and understood how you can help MetaMask become better. You can also opt out by pressing on No Thanks. On the Create Password screen, type your preferred password and retype it to confirm. Please note that this password cannot be recovered. Tick I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. And click on Create Password. Next, click on Start to set up your secret recovery phrase. Confirm your secret recovery phrase by following the instructions and finally clicking on Complete Backup. Click on Done after successfully setting your secret recovery phrase. Remember to keep both your password and the phrase somewhere safe and accessible only to you. Next, press Enable Automatic Security Checks to have the app stay updated. And that's it. Your new MetaMask wallet is now ready to use. This concludes our video on how to open a MetaMask wallet on browser and mobile devices. Thank you for watching.